Hello, my name is Claire Elouard. I am presently in France and I feel very lucky to be staying in nature among beautiful trees. Nature has taught me a lot of things, and among many things, when I am in nature, I particularly enjoy bird watching. And in this, I practice my observation skills, my patience and stillness, my stability, my capacity to be fully in the present moment, my sense of wonder, and many other qualities. My heart is always open when I am in nature. So, I propose you a workshop in which we can practice our connection with nature and with ourselves. We will explore qualities of nature that can help us to deepen our happiness, joy of being, peacefulness, compassion and empathy, and reinforce our positive attitude in our daily life and deepen our connection with our heart. Let's join together in getting inspired by qualities of nature.